Hey guys, it's Sanjay and welcome to the Gentleman's Plate. Today I want to show you a very basic recipe, which is the base of some of my favorite dishes. It's vegan dashi, two ways. First, we have the sea kelp, known as Kombu in Japanese or dashima in Korean. Look for thick, heavy leaves labeled as such. Do not, I repeat, do not use sushi nori or toasted kelp sheets. It's not the same thing and you won't get the broth we need from it. Once you have your kelp, take a damp kitchen cloth and gently wipe off any dust. Next, you want to cut down the sheets into smaller sizes so it can give off more flavor in the broth. And if you have a kitchen scale, then measure out about 20 grams of kelp. If not, it was about 1 sheet's worth for me. Place 4 cups of water in a pot and toss in the kelp. Wait for the water to come to a boil before turning the temperature down to low to a simmer. We will simmer this broth for 1 hour on low or until the stock reduces by half. Stir occasionally so the kelp doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and skim off any slime or froth that rises to the top. Next, we'll need about 12 dried shiitake mushrooms. They come in a package like this. You can find both the kelp and mushrooms at almost any Asian grocery store, or you can check out the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below. Before we soak the mushrooms, we just need to give them a quick rinse in a bowl of cold water to remove any dust or grit. Place your clean mushrooms in a heat-safe bowl and cover with 3 cups of boiling water. We need to let this soak for 1 hour. Place another bowl on top to keep all of the mushrooms submerged in the water. Next, you'll need to strain the broth with a sieve and a coffee filter, paper towel or muslin cloth. Remove the kelp and set aside. You can use this to brew another batch of dashi, but I wouldn't recommend it. Do the same for the shiitake broth. Squeeze out as much liquid as you can from the mushrooms. To be honest, I could have done a better job here. Save the mushrooms to the side. These are totally edible and can be used in stir-fries, soups, or the dish you're making next with the broth. And there you have it. This is the perfect traditional vegan dashi for all your culinary needs. You could just stop here. Seriously, stop here if you're a purist. You might not like the next step. Now, if you'd like to take it up a notch, season your dashi with some golden mountain sauce and vegan fish sauce. The golden mountain sauce, or Maggi sauce, gives it a final layer of saltiness and umami, while the vegan fish sauce, which is made from fermented beans, gives it that peculiar funk found in traditional fish-based broth. Again, affiliate links for both sauces are in the description below. All we need is about 1 teaspoon of each. Finally, pour your prepared broth in a clean mason jar and seal tight. Depending on what temperature you boil your kombu on and the size and dryness of your shiitake mushrooms, you should get about 3 to 4 cups of broth from this recipe. Sometimes I double the recipe and I freeze a batch so I have it ready for later. Otherwise, you should keep it in the fridge for about a week. So there you have it, a traditional, clean, and simple vegan dashi, and a little bit more of an amped up version made by yours truly. Give them both a try, and let me know in the comments below what recipe you decided to use this dashi on. And as always, you can find full recipe descriptions and measurements at my blog at www.thegentleman'splate.com. Subscribe and like up this video for more vegan recipes in the future. Thanks for watching.